Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. And I end up alone. I'm not certain.
Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Sweta. I do videos on makeup, beauty, fashion every week on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and be my YouTube family member, and don't forget to ring the bell notification button so that whenever I upload any new videos you can get notified about it. So in today's video I'm going to talk about color contact lenses for brown eyes girls out there. What kind of color contact lenses you should wear if you have brown eyes like me. So guys, if you want to know detail about this topic, please keep watching this video. This video is in collaboration with TTd Eye. In last month they sent this box containing 4 different color contact lenses, and I have been trying these contact lenses in different looks, and I have been sharing the look on my social handles on my Facebook, Instagram and here on YouTube, and I have been getting so many compliments from you guys because this is the first time I have worn contact lenses and I look completely different but nice way. I really like the color contact lenses from TTd Eye, such a tongue twister. The contact lenses are really soft, comfortable on eyes, and the most important part, the color contact lenses doesn't look over the top or unnatural. It looks really natural and goes really well with any kind of looks. They have huge varieties, huge collection of contact lenses on their website in different style, in different series. According to your style, according to your choice, you can choose any of the contact lenses, and even they have online trial kind of thing. Virtually you can try the contact lenses which you like. It may not be 100% accurate, but you can get an idea that how that particular contact lenses may look on you. This ship contact lenses 4 to 5 different countries, and thankfully India one of them. So if you are from India, definitely you can place the order online. I had color contact lenses from different brand, but I never ever used it because I always used to find difficulties to put the color contact lenses on. Now when I am literally used to it, on the other day I was trying the contact lenses from the other brand, and I can see the difference compared to that brand. The color contact lenses from TTd Eye looks much better. They sell prescribed and non-prescribed contact lenses, so if you have a doctor prescription with you, you can provide contact lenses at the time of placing the order. So recently they are having some kind of sale going on, and along with that I have a discount code for you guys. So if you want to know detail about the website link, you can definitely check my description box below. I already provided all the details in my description box below. So guys, now I'm going to share what I have inside this box and what other thing I got in this box, and along with that I'm gonna try the contact lenses here. So stay tuned, and now back to the voiceover. I really love the colorful animated printed box. Each lenses comes in a different colorful packet like this. They also provide separate lens cases with a plastic box with each contact lenses. I got this little mirror, this box of glitter which I can use in my editorial looks, and these 3 cute tattoos. Love the overall packaging and overall vibes. Now the most scary part of this video, wearing lenses in front of camera. So guys, try to ignore my scary face. Anyway, before starting it, I just want to mention few points here. Start the process with a clean and sanitized hand. It's really important, and put your lenses before applying the makeup. So the first shade which I'm wearing here, it's called Euro American brown green contact lenses. It has a mixture of brown and green, although it has a green tint, but it looks really natural in real. So this is how it looks on me. The second one is Euro American Grey. It may look similar to the previous one, but it's more of a grey side. This is my most favorite one among the whole bundle. I think this particular color lens can be an amazing option for olive brown skin tone girls out there. The third one is called Irish Blue. It's a blue lens, but definitely it's giving my eyes but a better kind of effect. Also, it's bright enough the iris. I like the blue parameter and tints it has, so this is how it looks on me. The fourth one is Irish Grey Blue. If you want to stand out to your eye look, but at the same time you want a soft natural bright eyes, this can be a great option. This color also perfect for brown eyes. So this is how it looks on me and I really liked it. So guys, that is for the day. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please give this video a huge big fat thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, and please be subscribed. I'll be back here soon with other exciting videos very soon, and don't forget to watch the other videos. I have so many videos on my channel. So guys, I'll be back here soon. Until then, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye.